Good morning, students. So yesterday we have seen what are the degrees of comparison. Okay, in detail I explained to you what are the degrees of comparison. So we have seen what is the positive degree, what is the comparative degree, and what is the superlative degree. So I will write on the board the some of the degrees that you have to complete from page number 9. So children, all of you take page number 9. So, how to write a positive degree to comparative and in superlative degree. So, the first one they have given dark, darker and darkest. So, the next one is small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Next one, rich, richer and richest. Rich, richer and richest. Next one, safe, safer, safest. Safe, safer, safest. Next one, clever, cleverer and cleverest. Cleverer, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Next one, tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Next, bright, brighter, brightest. Bright, brighter, brightest. So, comparative degree and superlative degree. Small, smaller, smallest. Rich, richer, richest. Safe, safer, safest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bright, brighter, brightest. So, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay children. So, all of you note it down carefully in your textbook, page number 9. So let us see in the degrees of comparison in the next page, that is page number 10. So always it will not be there only adding ER and EST. So in comparative we are adding ER to the word, and in superlative we are adding EST. But it is not always like that. So some adjectives will be different. Okay, some adjectives you should not add ER and EST. For example, small, smaller, so ER we have added, and smallest, so EST. So as what you have written just before, all those adjectives are added ER and EST. So all the adjectives will not be the same. All the adjectives will not be the same. So some adjectives you need to add more and most. So let us see what are they. We have to add more and most. So what are those? Useful, more useful and most useful. And the next one, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay children. So these are the words I am not writing on the board. Just I'll just say it and you can write by yourself. Okay. So because the first one, the example of first word is already given by adding more and most. So in comparative degree you have to add more, and in superlative degree you have to add most. So in the same way you can write all other adjectives also. Okay, you can add more and most to another other words and complete it. So more beautiful, most beautiful. More interested, most interested. More doubtful, most doubtful. More precious, most precious. More delicious, most delicious. More dreadful, most dreadful. More cheerful, most cheerful. Okay children. So once again I will read. Useful, more useful and most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interested, more interested, most interested. Doubtful, more doubtful, most doubtful. Precious, more precious, most precious. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Dreadful, more dreadful, most dreadful. Cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. Okay children. So by adding more and most, we can write the comparative and superlative. And the next other words, other degrees of comparisons will be different. In other words, some words will have quite different. Here we are adding in first words we added only ER and EST, and second we added some of the words we added more and most, and some of the words totally and completely different from first words, second word and third word also will be different. That means positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree will be, all three will be different. For example, you see here much, more, most. So these are three words are not equal or not looking same. So in the same way other words, some of the words let us see. Good, better and best. Good, better, best. Okay children. Good, better and best. Next one. Bad, worse and worst. Bad, worse and worst. Bad, worse and worst. Next one. Far, farther, further and farthest. Okay. So totally different, not same words as in the positive degree. So all of you understood. First words we need enough to add er and est. Second, enough to add more and most. And some of the words it will be totally completely different. Some words, for example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, far, farther, and farthest. Okay, children. So some of the words which are different from other words. So all of you note it down carefully.